මේ පාර කවුද මේ මැසේජ් එකක් දැම්මේ?
මම
තෙනුකි? මේ ආවේ තෙනුකි. Who is this තෙනුකි?
නංගි සර්.
මං හිතුවා. නංගිත් ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාස් යනවද? In which year is she? In which grade is she? Montessori online තියනවද? මන් දන්නේ ඒ දරුවන්ට නම්. Right. This is our board, motherboard, and here you all can look at 6 special data transferring ports. Here. Six data transferring ports. What are they? What are these ports?
SATA ports.
SATA ports. Naomi is saying these are SATA ports. What about Ehan, Matisha, Senuka? Naomi said it's SATA port. Ehan? Come Ehan. No sound.
Yes, sir.
What is these ports? What are these ports?
Sir, SATA ports.
Yes, Senuka.
SATA ports.
Yes. Lakindra, Matisha. Yes. Mati. Yes, I got one message.
Sir, lab එකෙන් join වෙන්න බැලුවා password එක වැරදි කියනවනේ.
ඔයා lab මේක disconnect වෙච්ච ගමන්ම නේද join වෙන්න ගියේ?
ඔව් සර් මටත් ඒක
නෑ හරි පොඩි වෙලාවක් පොඩි delay එකක් ආවා. ඒක මගේ අතින් වෙච්ච delay එකක් පොඩි delay එකක් ආවා පුතේ. ඒක ඔයාලගේ lab එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෙමෙයි. මතීෂකේවත් නවමිකේවත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෙමෙයි. පොඩි delay එකක් ආවා මම මෙතනින් connect කරද්දි. මගේ මෙතන delay එකක් උනේ. Right? Take it easy. It's a problem.
ඒකෙන් join වෙන්න බැරිද? ඒකෙන් join වෙන්න බැරිද?
lab එකෙන්ද? try කරන්න දැන්. ඔයා ඕකෙම ඉන්න ගමන් ඔයා ඕකේ දැන් join වෙලා ඉන්න ගමන්ම ඔයා try කරන්න lab එකෙන් join වෙන්න. කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ දැන් join වෙනවා දුවේ. කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. You can.
ඒත් වැරදි කියනවාද?
දැනුත් වැරදි කියනවා.
ඔව් දැන් ගොඩක් වෙලා ගෙනුවා.
එහෙනම් ඔයාගේ Zoom software එකේ මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙන්න ඕන ඒ lab එකේ තියෙන එක. ඒකෙදි වෙන්න ඕන ඔය Zoom එක සම්පූර්ණ close කරලා දාලා ආපහු මුල ඉඳන් Zoom එක on කරලා බලන්න. එතකොට එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාගේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කියන්නේ දැන් lab එකේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කනෙක්ට් වෙලා තියෙනවා නම් Wi-Fi එකකින් ඒ Wi-Fi එක සම්පූර්ණ disconnect කරලා දාලා ඉවරලා ආපහු connect කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ හරියයි. ඒ කියන්නේ අර මොනවා හරි කෑෂ් වෙලා තියෙනවා නම් වැරදි data එකක් ඒක එතනින් refresh වුණාට පස්සේ කෑෂ් එක refresh වුණාට පස්සේ හරියයි. ඒකයි වෙලා. අයියට කියන්න try කරන්න කියලා එහෙම අර විදියට. නවමි
බෑනේ සර්.
lab එක restart කරලා ගන්න කියන්නේ. අයියට ඔයා දැන් කරන්නේ නැතුව අයියට කියන්න lab එක restart කරලා ගන්න කියලා. දැන් අයියා දන්නවා ටිකක් ඒවා. හොඳයි. Yes, until he's doing that, we'll turn back to the class again. Yes, as Naomi said, as Senuka said, as Janindu said, as Matija said, and as Yehan said, these are SATA ports. Yes. SATA ports. What do you mean by this SATA? What is this SATA stands for?
Serial Advanced Technology Architecture.
Serial Advanced Technology Attachment.
ඔන්න මොකද උනේ? එක තැනක වැරදීමක් වුණා නේද? Yeah, Senuka, you are correct. Senuka, you are correct. Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. This is one type of data transferring method on the motherboard. Earlier, last day we did discuss about another type of data transferring method on the motherboard. That is it calls PATA. Today, another method calls SATA. Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. Yes. By these SATA ports, we can transfer data with the hard disk using a special cable for this. By this special port called SATA or Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, we can transfer data with the hard disk by using a special cable. It calls SATA data cable. It calls SATA data cable. This is the SATA data cable. Right? Then we are going to talk about the hard disk. Right? When motherboard is transferring data by the SATA ports through SATA data cable, hard disk is going to receive the transferring data from the motherboard through its port. For this purpose, the hard disk has a special port to receive the data from the motherboard by its SATA port through its SATA cable. The hard disk has a special port, special data port calls SATA port. Here is the SATA port, SATA data port. This is the SATA data port. Look at this properly. This is the SATA data port. This is the SATA data port. The SATA data cable is coming from the motherboard, can set onto this port. It calls SATA data port. Okay. On our blackboard, you all can see this. Here, there are 6 SATA ports. Thereafter, I did mark by an arrow SATA cable. Then after the SATA cable, you all can see a SATA hard disk. A hard disk with a SATA port. There it marks as SATA data. So because of that, the hard disk with the SATA data port calls, because of that, the hard disk with the SATA data port calls SATA hard disk. The hard disk which has a SATA data port calls SATA hard disk. As well as
හැම hard disk එකකම SATA port තියෙනවද?
හැම hard disk එකකම නෑ පුතේ. SATA hard disks are different type. Then PATA hard disks are different type. We can't see both ports in a one hard disk. Yeah, we can't see both ports in a one hard disk. අපිට පුතේ එක hard disk එකක මේ ports දෙකම දකින්න බෑ. එහෙම එන්නේ නැහැ.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, එහෙනම් ඇයි අර hard disk එකේ පාට power කියලා ගහලා තියෙන්නේ?
ඔව් සමහර ඒ වගේ තියෙනවා මේකට පාට power එක දෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. සමහර hard this is the interchange transition of the data ports. This is the transition of the data ports. මේ data ports වල මාරු වීම සිද්ධ වෙන කාලේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ data ports වල as per the advancements of the technologies, this is the transition of data ports. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ data ports වල මේ වෙනස් වීම සිද්ධ වෙන කාලේ පාට වලින් කියන පාට දිගින් දිගටම තියෙන පාට thereafter due to the technological developments it start to change the technology. So this is when the transition of the technology made technology එක මාරු වෙන කාලේ තිබිච්ච විදියක්. මුල කාලේ තිබුණා SATA hard disk එකට පාට port එකකුත් තිබුණා. මුල් කාලේ පාට power එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්කම තිබුණා. හැබැයි with the time it totally changed. කාලෙත් එක්ක මේක සම්පූර්ණ මාරු වුණා. Nowadays we cannot see such hard disks. අද වෙනකොට මෙහෙම hard disk අපිට දකින්න ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. එක්කෝ SATA hard disk එහෙම නැත්නම් PATA hard disk. Nowadays mostly using SATA hard disks because of the advancements of the technologies. in some other boards doesn't have even PATA ports. In some other boards doesn't have even PATA ports. Those it has only SATA ports. Very rarely some other boards has PATA ports nowadays. Right. Now listen to this. The hard disk which has a SATA data port started to call SATA hard disk. As well as due to that data transferring technology of the hard disk, due to that data transferring method of the hard disk, its power connector also changed. Its power connector also changed to SATA power. May hard disk එකේ data transferring method එක මාරු වෙනවත් එක්කම the way of supplying power to the hard disk also changed. The way of supplying power to the hard disk also changed. It changed to SATA power. It's changed to SATA power. That hard disk calls SATA hard disks. So the SATA hard disks has SATA data ports and SATA power ports. Rarely some hard disks has PATA power ports also. By the PATA power also, there was a possibility to operate the hard disk. It was happened at the beginning of this transition of the technology. It was happened at the beginning of this transition of the technology. මේ තාක්ෂණයේ මාරුව වෙන්න ගත්තු මුල කාලේ තමයි මේ තත්ත්වය ඇති වුනේ. It means the hard disk with both power ports, means SATA and PATA. But due to the technological developments nowadays, these types of hard disks are not available in the market. If it is a SATA hard disk, it has a SATA power and SATA data port. If it is a PATA hard disk, it has a PATA power port and PATA data port. That's the change. Earlier, when we were discussing about PATA hard disks on last day, I said its cable is a little bit wider. Its cable is little bit wider. By the pictures also you saw that its data cable was little bit wider. It's like a ribbon. It's like a wide ribbon. But in this method, in this SATA data transferring method, we can see a very small, very thin cable. But its data transferring speed is higher than PATA data cable. But its data transferring speed is higher than PATA data cable. As well as data transferring speed of the SATA ports also higher than data transferring speed of the IDEO PATA ports. That is why this change has happened. ID PATA to SATA. That is why this change has happened. Because people wanted a fastest data transferring method between the hard disk and the motherboard. That is why the scientists invented this new method. ඒ නිසා තමයි විද්‍යාඥයෝ මේ අලුත් ක්‍රමේ ලෝකෙට හඳුන්වලා දුන්නේ. For the moment, this is the fastest method of data transferring between the motherboard and hard disk. It calls SATA. Therefore, nowadays, most of the motherboards has 4 or 6 more than 2. More than 2 means 4 or 6 SATA ports. By those SATA ports, we can use SATA hard disks as well as we can use SATA optical drives. When we are learning about the optical drives, we will discuss about this SATA optical drives and PATA optical drives. Now, have you all clear about this data transferring method?
Yeah.
Naomi?
Yes, sir.
Lakshina? Yahan?
Yes, sir.
Matisha? Janindu? Senuka?
Clear, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what am I going to do is, Matisha, actually, I'm going to start that process at the end of the class. Bye වෙන්න එපා මං ගන්නවා අද සින්දුව හැමෝගෙම. Senuka, can you sing songs?
මට නම් බෑ.
But Senuka can sing very well. Senuka, in this class, we are in our classes, we are doing few song competitions. Today, you also can sing a song.
අන්නක අර මේ කවුද? නවුඹිලේ මාමගේ ඒගොල්ලෝ ඇවිල්ලා මෙහෙ මල්ලිට පුළුවන් හොඳට කියන්නේ මල්ලිට කියන්නේ කියලා.
Right. Okay, we'll see. Oh, Senuka ගියාද කොහෙද සින්දු කියනවා කිව්වා? Right. Okay. Right. Now what am I going to do is, I want you all to write down the things what I discussed now by a rough sheet. Remember, I asked everybody to maintain a little, everybody to maintain a file with rough sheets. Today, your task is write down the things what I discussed now. I'll give you 5 minutes. Everybody. Senuka දන්නවනේ method එක නේද? Rough sheet එක අරගෙන අපි දැන් discuss කරපු එක. As you understood, you can write by any language. No need to write down very tidy. No need. I don't want the tidiness. Maybe it's untidy, it doesn't matter. Quickly do it. I'll give you 5 minutes.
සර් මේක ඇඳ ගන්නත් ඕනද?
No need. I will send this sketch to the group. Then
Okay.
you all can take a printout or you all can draw it later.
මම එනවද?
Yes, Matisha, it happens because of your data connection. It happens because of your signal strength. Take it easy. එක වැඩි ගණන් ගන්න එපා.